Annoyed by the automatic activation pop-up in Windows 11? Here's how to turn it off. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run window. Here, you need to type regedit and then click on OK to open the registry editor on your computer. Once you see that the registry editor has appeared on your screen, click on File and then click on Export. Choose a secure location on your computer. Name the backup as Original Registry, and under the export range, click to select the All option and then click on Save to save it on your computer. This will work as a backup of your original registry. In Registry Editor window, expand the left side to go to this location. Click on Activation on the left-hand side of the Registry Editor window, double-click on Manual on the right-hand side. Now, set the value data to 1 and click on OK. Reboot your computer to save the changes on your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.